There we go. She hasn't got the can-can outfit on tonight. This is just the rehearsal clothes. Over there next to Penny. There we go. Isn't she lovely? Those of you that have not been to the Gladstone Harbour Festival before, Rosie is the mascot. She's an absolute legend here at the Gladstone Harbour Festival. Rosie has appeared in over 24 talent quests, haven't you, Rosie? And next year, for the year 2000, will be the 25th talent quest that Rosie has appeared in. I think that says something in itself.
Absolutely.
Because Rosie is nearly 92 years of age.
Wow.
I tell you what, that's fantastic, Rosie. I said, I wonder if I'm going to be here. I hope I'm going to be here when I'm 92 still tap dancing with my piece of masonite. I hope so. I might have to borrow your costumes. All right, we're going to take you back. Do you remember they had the dance crazes of the 50s and 60s? They had the monkey. Do you know how to do the monkey, Rosie? Oh, she'll have a go at it? Okay. What about the Watusi? Do you know how to do the Watusi? Oh, okay. What about the... Oh, you're going to... Oh, she's going to do her actions, Penny. Okay. And they had the shake. Chubby Checker made very, very famous. One of the greatest dance crazes, the twist. We'll have a bit of fun. We will, Rosie. All hands, come on. That's the way. Come on, everybody. Clap your hands. Come on. Ah, you're looking good. Gonna sing my song and it won't take long. We're going to do the twist. Come on, Rosie. Goes like this. Round and around. Oh, you can't go round. That's all right. Round and around. Up and down to this big house. Round and around and up and down and a 1, 2, 3. Kick. 1, 2, 3. Go. We're gonna do a dance and it goes like this. The name of this dance is the Peppermint Twist. March you up, go around like this. Peppermint Twist. Sing it for me. Round and around, round and down, round and round, up and down, round and around and up and down and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She tap dance, ladies and gentlemen.